channel update. Channel update. If you notice, all the Pink Sparkle stuff is gone. The movies are gone. A lot of stuff I can get a copyright hit is gone. Now, the reason being is Pink Sparkles, she has her own YouTube channel and she's been threatening to strike people. And she can do that now, even though she has no clue what fair use is. But hey, better safe than sorry. So I'm not going to have no Pink Sparkles ever again on my channel. And I'm not scared of her or anything like that. It's just I don't want to take no chances. And my channel is worth something to me. As for all the movies, I have it all on Chuck Collins movie clips. And you can check it out there anytime you want. So the movies are always going to be there. The dancing avatars, if you like that, it's on New to You. So the only thing you're missing is Pink Sparkles. Now, if you ever want to take a good look at my necklace, this is what it is. This is a good look at it. This is my climbing gear necklace. It's my good luck. Anyways, we're going to unbox a game. This is what we're unboxing. So now you know there's Overwatch gameplay coming pretty damn soon. Now, I've had this for about 3 or 4 days now and I haven't even opened it. I just took the tape off here, but I haven't opened this yet, so I have no clue what's in here, and I know there's unboxing. This is the collector's edition. And if you're going to watch Overwatch on my channel, you ain't going to have a normal Overwatch. You're going to have collector's edition. And for the future, Battlefield 1 will be definitely on my channel. You will see Battlefield 1. So let's get this puppy going here. Anyways, that part's easy. Now, it's got a nifty little thing there. This, if you could kind of see that. That's kind of cool. Now, this is my first unboxing, by the way. So, that's kind of neat, eh? I could use that for a bookcase or something, or a shelf, or whatever. So that's basically how it comes in 2 pieces. And it flips out. So obviously, hope I don't totally screw up. What's this? Well, this is the figurine. Okay, actually we're going to get this out of the way. This is basically how it looks like in the box. So we'll get this piece here. So we're going to unbox this. This is obviously the figurine. Pretty cool. Let's check it out. I'm wearing gloves because I don't know if this is going to be collectors in the future. So I don't want to put no fingerprints on anything because fingerprints could... I don't know, I'll probably end up wrecking the box just trying to get the bloody thing out of the box. Because I have no clue. Oh, okay. So, you know, I'm not an unboxing kind of upload kind of guy, but, you know, I figured if I'm going to get a new game, and, you know, and a lot of you have been waiting for a new game. So this is what this looks like. Oh, now I gotta open it. Damn. Oh, you're trying to open up your son of a bitch. Oh yeah, now we're getting somewhere. It's like Christmas. Okay, this must be the stand. Holy shit, that's heavy. Pick that up. That's the stand. Now this is the figurine. Oh shit, that's big. Oh, it's got some weight to it. Oh, that's cool. That is cool. It's got that new toy smell. Let's see. That's cool. How do you put the damn thing? I want to stand them up, but that thing doesn't line up. Is it supposed to? Come on, get in there, you son of a bitch! There we go. Sweet! That's cool, eh? That's the figurine. That'll be my... Sweet. Okay, next. We'll just put him in the back here. What else is in the box? There's a Velcro type thing here. So this comes out. I don't know what this must be, the manual. Oh, there's... Son of a... Man, is it fancy pantsy? Soundtrack. Good. Good soundtrack. I wonder if I'll get a copyright hit on it. Son of a bitch! Anyways, we'll put that there. Hey, this is kind of nice. Really excited. I'm going to be actually playing the new... Oh, what's these cards? Oh, this is nice. I might have to edit that out. Anyway, here's the cards. I have no clue what these are. That's one. Two. These must be the in the game. The game maps, maybe? I don't know. Yeah, it is the game maps. These might be worth something someday, who knows? Oh, it's just postcards. No, I'm not going to send you a postcard. Well, you never know. You never know. You know what? You never know. Never say no on that one, okay, guys? Never say no. You know what? Oh, no, they might be worth something someday. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see in the future. Oh, yeah. Well, now you guys know, when I've said how many times there's going to be gameplay on a different game, and I said I'll bring you Overwatch, and in the future, for sure, 100%, there'll be Battlefield 1. When that comes out, you will see gameplay from that. Battlefield 1. That's probably my favorite one right there. You know what? I might get these framed and stick them on the wall. It depends which map I like the best. And this must be the game book. This is really fancy. See? Fancy pantsy. Don't just say fancy pantsy. Oh yeah. This is really nice. Just shows you different, looks like just a backstory kind of thing. Man, it just smells like Christmas Day in here. But we're going to put this away, and thanks for watching, guys. And you know Overwatch is coming. I just didn't get the cheap Overwatch. I got the good one, so I could put Overwatch gameplay, collector's edition gameplay. That's what I want. Sets me apart a little bit. Thanks for watching. This guy's cool. And what else can I say? Thanks for watching. And see you on the flip side.